waiting for you on wings of love. On wings of... Hey guys, I thought I'd do a video of all the fans in my beach house in Charleston, South Carolina. So here in the living room area, we have a Hunter Silent Breeze 3, I believe it is, and running on medium, and it pushes a really good amount of air on medium. And the blades aren't even that wide, and the pitch isn't even that steep, but you can really feel it, which is great. So, we've got 3 more of these in the house, which I'll go to now. By the way, every fan you see in this house, sorry, I was stretching. Anyway, every fan you see in this house, they replaced a Fasco Charleston. When this house was built in the 70s, around 85, 86, they added white second-gen 52-inch Charlestons with the switch caps. And I remember seeing those as a kid years ago, and that really brings back a lot of memories. So here's one of the Silent Breezes. Out on the porch is a Hunter Sea Air. I installed that last year. Came from Philadelphia, new in the box, and it still looks new in the box, like perfect condition. So that's out there. That replaced a Hunter Seascape, or Hunter Hatteras, whatever you want to call it. Basically a Sea Air with a different switch housing and different blade brackets and leaf blades. So, in the living, or I guess the kitchen slash guest room, or the living room, we have a Hunter Silent Breeze, another one. This one is a low-profile, flash-mounted. This also looks like the 52-inch Fasco Charleston. The one here had a long pull chain with a white, huge, like a ball at the end of it. I think I have a picture of it somewhere, but I'll have to dig around for it. That's this one. And there was no fan here when the house was bought, but we added this one in the kitchen here. Another Silent Breeze 3. This one is a good air mover. It really makes the space more comfortable when you're cooking on the hot stove. It really cools you down, so. Let's go through here. In the guest room, we have a Harbor Breeze Armitage crab fan. Fasco Charleston used to be here as well. White one there, and by the way, they were all white, by the way, so here's the light pull chain. I don't really like these fans, but they move a decent amount of air, actually. So, and I'm surprised these are actually still running, because usually the capacitors will go out on them in like only 2 years of use. And so yeah, that one's still going strong. Next we're going to head upstairs. The rest of the fans are up there. In the master bedroom, there's a Harbor Breeze. Gosh, I forget the name of this fan, but Harbor Breeze something. This replaced the Charleston as well. And the Charleston in here scared me as a kid because the bearing was shot, and every time you turned it on, it made this horrific screeching sound, so loud. And that's why we never used the fan, because it made that sound. But there's the tag, there it is up there. Harbor Breeze. So, this one does run, it runs pretty good. It's got a remote on the wall up here. Charleston used to be here. Okay, here's a Power Breeze. I forget the name of this fan. But this replaced a Miller Armitage. And the Armitage went bad. The fan wasn't working, but the light worked. I think the capacitor was shot, so we bought this fan. And before the Armitage, there was actually not a Charleston in this room. There was a Harbor Breeze Pulsar, white hugger with a schoolhouse light kit. And for many, many years, I always wondered who made that fan, what the model was. So, and I dug back in the archives in the excuse me, in the Vintage Fan Forum website and found a picture of it. And there and then I learned it was a Harbor Breeze Pulsar. So, close this door. Anyway, I guess that's that's all the fans in the house. So, appreciate you watching this video. Well, if anybody's curious, we do have a Holes desk fan right there. But nobody cares about those, right? Go back to the living room and I'll end the video there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Okay.